Alright, I was gonna clip the live video, and I haven't figured out how to get it off this phone. So I wasn't able to clip the lighter teardown for you to put in front of this slideshow that I got together with. I know I was having problems with the live stream, and it was cutting in and cutting out and all that, so I thought I'd do a recap of everything we had going on up until this point. And I wanted that part about the lighter teardown to be in this video here, but I haven't figured out how to get it off my phone. So any help, but please sure leave a comment. Take all the advice that I can get. But anyway, this is going to start out with a picture of all the lighter parts and what they're for, and it'll move through until where we left off with the live stream the other day. Then we'll go from there, and we'll continue building what we started building the other day. So for now, I'll let you watch the show. Thank y'all for stopping by. Hope this catches y'all up. Be sure and leave a comment if you have any questions. Get your little platform made so that we can continue from there. And we will build this together. There's a few different ways we can go with this. I've showed you one way. I'm going to show you another way with how I design mine. And maybe I'll even show you the other way too, but we'll see how it goes. I know one thing, we're going to try to get a little better internet service before we do the next live. So, but hopefully this catches y'all up to where we left off with the live stream. And looking forward to continuing on, because this is a simple project and it don't take much, don't cost much, and I think y'all get a kick out of making one of these, and hopefully you got kids and they'll get a kick out of playing with them, I guarantee you. But anyway, enough of me, and we'll get to the show, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.